Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Urban Builder Guide. Today we will discuss the importance of mechanics in civil engineering and why it is essential for designing safe and efficient structures. What is mechanics? Mechanics is the branch of physics that studies forces, motion, and material behavior. In civil engineering, it helps us understand how materials react under loads, determine how structures withstand forces like gravity, wind, and earthquakes, design structures that are strong, durable, and cost-effective. Branches of mechanics in civil engineering. 1. Statics, studies objects at rest or in uniform motion. Calculates forces and stresses in structures. Example, determining load capacity of a beam. 2. Dynamics, studies objects in motion or under changing forces. Important for structures under moving loads, like vehicles or wind. Example, designing bridges to withstand traffic and wind pressure. Importance of mechanics in civil engineering. 1. Structural safety ensures buildings and bridges can withstand loads. 2. Material optimization uses the right amount of material efficiently. 3. Predicting behavior anticipates how structures respond to stress and strain. 4. Innovative design enables design of advanced structures like skyscrapers and long-span bridges. 5. Sustainability helps create durable structures requiring less maintenance. Real-world examples. Structures like the Golden Gate Bridge and the Burj Khalifa rely on mechanics to remain stable against wind, traffic, and natural forces. Every design calculation is based on principles of mechanics. Conclusion. Mechanics is the foundation of civil engineering. It ensures structures are safe, efficient, and sustainable. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Urban Builder Guide. Comment below if you want a video on statics versus dynamics in civil engineering.